This is a review of the Rosemary hair growth oil that I would highly recommend. You can see that it stimulates hair growth, improves blood circulation, nourishes the scalp, it strengthens the hair. And this is something, if you are, interested in looking for, that improves your scalp if it's dry or you have hair damage or you're looking to like hair growth, then this is probably something that is, one of your best bets. This does, like it says, this is for hair growth and skincare, and it tells what it mentions right here. I would highly recommend this. It works well, and it does, your hair gradually and slowly, it does grow. And this is something that if you're, like I mentioned, if you are having like a dry scalp or your hair quality is bad, then this is something that will improve that and improvise it. This is something that I would highly recommend if you're looking to change your hair growth and improve your skin as well too. Then I would highly recommend the Rosemary Essential Oil.